guys get here? Well, I'm just sitting here daydreaming about my 2018 plans and how I'm not gonna be alone. Are you alone? Are you sad? Introducing 2018 new boyfriend pillow. Never be alone again. For $57.99, you get this warm, cozy boyfriend. What are you waiting for? Call now and never be alone again. Tax and fees not included. Close those separately or just steal your ex's additional $15 for shipping and handling.
Cheers.
Hey there! Hey guys, what's up? It's me, Ange, and we are in the wardrobe room today. It's super messy, like always, but we are going to start on new year, new boo, new you. And to begin, we're going to use some polyfill because you got to fill up your new boo's belly. Some E6000 because we're not going to do any sewing. Muslin, I think I got about 2 or 3 yards. And some pins to hold down your fabric. Fabric transfer, because you got to plaster your boo's face on there. And some shears. So, on that note, let's begin. Alright guys, so what we're going to start off with is by cutting your fabric in half. So you have double of everything. And I kind of like to use the most of my fabric or muslin so that I don't waste fabric. So now that we have both fabrics facing each other, we're going to start drawing out your new boo's head. And by head, I mean the one on the top of his neck, okay? Ya nasties. Now, you're gonna go take a pen or a pencil and kind of just draw out how large you want his head to be. Okay, now that we've drawn out the arms and we've drawn out the head, we're gonna draw out the body. So, I'm not making legs, we're just doing a half body, so he just hugs you at night. He hugs you real nice and snuggly. So now you want to just decide whether, like, how buff and how big you want his body. Okay, now that we've drawn it out, we are going to begin cutting. I've already cut up his head, so let's begin cutting out his arms and his body. And you kind of want to put it in place so that when you're cutting it, it comes out perfect. And you always want to cut a little bit more than what you've drawn out, just in case, because we have to stuff this fabric and he's going to be skinnier. All right. Now that we've got that all cut out, his body looks weird. What happened? So glue the edges together because we're going to flip this thing inside out by the next day, tomorrow. You kind of want to let this dry for 24 hours. And you're going to want to leave an opening somewhere around his neck so you can stuff all the fabric or all the polyfill in here. Sorry guys, my camera cut out, but basically you'll want to print out a picture of him on fabric transfer and iron it on and stuff him, and then you'll get this cool guy.
I know, but Mom was like staring straight at me.
Okay.
God.
Crazy and weird.
Always